join our little YouTube. You should do it. That's all. Okay, so. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 6 of Day 6, right? January 2020, almost at 2019 box week. And tonight's video that I have for you is a double unboxing. I don't know what's going on with my hands, but I was like double unboxing. We're going to be opening up the 2 Target beauty boxes that came out this month. And then we're also putting items into our stockpile giveaway, which is actually like really exciting. Also looks like my video is dying. I don't know why my camera's dying right now. So we'll see how far I get into this video, but apparently my camera's dying. If you're watching this video at any point, you're like, wow, you know what? I really want to be in her little YouTube family. Click the subscribe button down below. Do it. Join our, do it. Do it. Join our little YouTube. You should do it. That's all. Okay, so Target. This is box 1. Every month they release a beauty box. It's like, it's consistently now been like $7 a month. Once in a while they do special tea boxes. This month they had 2, so this is 1 of 2. So on the top it says, clean up your beauty routine. It has a $3 off $15 coupon, which I want to let you guys know, last time I used the $3 coupon, it worked. It just worked. Like we've talked about this on my channel multiple times, where like Target beauty coupon, it just does never work. Like I don't know what it is, but like every time I go there, always have to get a manager involved. I don't even like, I'm like, I need a manager, nothing's wrong, I just want to use my coupon. And it worked like the last 2 months in a row. So I don't know if they fixed what was wrong with it, but it's been working. So there's that. Okay, so starting off in the top of the box, ooh, first of all, it has a thing that says save $2 now. But what's underneath here is what I want to know. Love Beauty Planet. Oh, laundry detergent. Oh my gosh. That's cool. I don't know why that got me excited. Probably because I've been thinking that I want to change laundry detergents. Ooh, it's got a little bit of a scent to it. I don't know how I feel about the scent. It's lavender and argan oil. I mean, I like lavender stuff, so I'm going to try that out. That's cool. And they give you a $2 off coupon to use on the detergent if you like it. Smart thinking. Next we have Native Charcoal Deodorant. I like the smell, and actually I'm running low on deodorant, so I'm about to keep this. Look, I've been real cheap lately. Like, okay, I have and I haven't. I need to talk about the clothes I've been getting. TJ Maxx and Marshalls have had like some stupid sales right now, and it's becoming a bit of a problem for my finances, but don't worry about it. Next up we have Meyer's Clean All Day Hand Soap, a little hand soap sample. Lumion Nordic Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. Look how cute. I think that looks really cute. I'm gonna put this into the giveaway. These 2 items. I guess the hand wash, I mean this is tiny, but I'll put it in there. And they gave little cotton pads. Okay, this actually makes me mad. You wanna know why? Because one of the things that Target always says you can't use your coupon on are cotton pads. Then why is it in the beauty box? Why is it here? If this isn't considered beauty, why is it in a box of beauty? Okay, whatever. That's my little whatever. Next we have coconut oil body lotion. I am going to put this also in the giveaway. For some reason this Palmer's coconut oil, like it's nice, but I never like prefer the scent, and I don't want to keep it and then not actually use it, so maybe somebody who gets it will actually like the way it smells. Hopefully. We also got Uni Shower Shades. Ooh, oh, large body wipe instantly. Cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. I like that idea. I like a good body wipe. Whatever. We also got a oil cocktail from Lumion, whatever, to try. And then we got Purely White Zen Peppermint Burt's Bees toothpaste. We also need toothpaste. Well, look at that. My family just got all the stuff we were running low on. Toothpaste and deodorant. So to recap the first box, we got the Uni Shower Sheets. We got the Burt's Bees toothpaste. We got the Lumion cleansing balm and the hand soap. Going to the giveaway box, we got the coconut oil body lotion, which they send out that stuff a lot. The Native Charcoal deodorant, which I actually like the smell of it, and I want to try it. As well as we got the laundry detergent from Love Home and Planet, Love Beauty Planet, Love Home Planet. And then we got the cotton pads. And then now, I know, and I'm moving fast because my camera's about to die. And I really don't want to have to like wait like an hour to finish filming this video. Here's the other one, which this one looks like a planet. I like that this looks like a planet. Box 2, it says out with the old, in with the new. And this is another 3 off $15 coupon, which hopefully they both work. Fingers crossed. Alright, so in the top here, ooh, we have hair food, coconut milk and chai spice, sulfate-free, nourishing shampoo and conditioner. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to try this in the girls' hair and see how it works with them. I've been doing really good with my own personal shampoos, but I like trying stuff like this in the girls' hair because I feel like something maybe a little more affordable option than using the stuff I use in my hair on them. I don't know. You know what I mean? Whatever. Next up we have, oh my goodness, 2 of the Olay Regenerist. So they have a retinol night moisturizer and the Whip active moisturizer. That's really cool. I love that they did that. Seriously, I love, and first of all, there's $3 coupons off in each of them. They gave you the day cream and the night cream. Target. Mic drop on other boxes. Like, I love that they did that. And a lot of you are probably like, day cream and night cream. Yeah, because night cream is usually like a heavier moisturizer and does like more like work on your skin during the night, as opposed to like the day cream is far more of a light finish because you're gonna be putting makeup and all that on. Okay, whatever. So next thing that we have is Crest 3D White Radiant Mint toothpaste. More toothpaste. That's right, we need it. And then I got this, okay, what is this? This is number 7 Booster Serum, Firming Booster Serum. We got 2 K Bella masks, so a clay avocado cooling mask, ooh, and a reviving watermelon peel off mask, ooh. I think I'm gonna try the avocado mask. Might do it tonight, see what I feel about it. And then we got some of this Cream of Nature Perfect Edges, which I actually have like a thing. I think we got a whole one in a Target box recently. People asked me last time I got edge cream what it is. So basically, alright, so my hair is a mess. So like right here, where you see all these little crazy baby hairs, that's where you put edge cream on, and it like helps to smooth that out. That's when you see a lot of girls will use like a toothbrush and all that. Just, it's edge cream. So whatever. Alright, I'm dropping stuff. Let me get it real quick. Okay, so to recap, we got the number 7 Booster Serum, which is going into our stockpile giveaway. We got the 2 Olay samples, which I'm really good on moisturizers right now, which are going into our stockpile giveaway, day and night cream. We got the shampoo and conditioner sulfate free with coconut milk and chai spice, which actually I'm gonna smell one because I don't know why I didn't do that. Ooh, interesting smell. I'm gonna give these to the girls. We got the 3D White Crest toothpaste, which I need for my house. We got the edge cream, which is going in here. And then we also got the K Bella face mask. We got the watermelon peel off mask and the avocado clay mask. So that's all I got in these 2 boxes. I'm gonna make it quick, so hopefully I can outrun the video. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our ever family to our literally the best crew, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing life, and I will see you very soon for a new video when my camera's more charged. And also, just so you know, in the next couple of days I'll be posting the stockpile giveaway, but I just want you to know that like what we currently have, it's about to like blow your mind. So talk to you, love you, goodbye. Put on pause, well, listen, then pause. Grab yourself a face mask, pause video, put on a face mask, relax. This is our once a month we do our like little self-care face loving